Same bat time, same bat channel.
Hi all, welcome to John's One Away King. Today we're carrying on with the 66 Batmobile. There we go, phases 36 to 38. Then we have the drive shaft and we have the floor pan to fit today. There we go. There's the car up to now, there's that steering mechanism. All oiled up, working nicely. Showed you that in the last video. So we'll just carry on with phase 36, which is the drive shaft. So without further ado, let's have a look at the magazine. Okie doke, phase 36. We have the TV show Walk the Straight and Narrow. There we go, Batman. In the previous episode, yeah, this is about Robin Hood, this. Yeah, I remember reading this. Alan Adale. And there's not a Miriam, but there's a Miriam. And there we go. The Riddler. Edward Enigma. That's a good story as well. Batman 70, Year of the Bat. There we go, cracking picture. There's Man Bat. And in this phase, assemble the drive shaft and connect the gearbox to the rear axle. I have a feeling these are all plastic, or some of them will be plastic anyway, because we use AP screws. So we've got a couple of universal joints to fit. Get that drive shaft together, and then we can pop it on the car. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are the parts, we'll get them out. There we go, those are our parts. Front drive shaft, A and B, two universal joints. We have the central bearing and drive shaft bearing, and then we have the rear drive shaft and AP screws. Yes, I was correct, they're all plastic. So first of all, we need to attach a universal joint into here, like that. So we need 36C and 36D. And a couple of AP screws to keep them together. Okay, let's get this universal joint into place. That will go there like so. We need to pop this onto the drive shaft after this. There we go. That turns out nicely. You don't want it too slack, whatever you do. Next we need to pop the drive shaft, which is 36F, and we need two more AP screws. So I'll hold that in place like so. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Next we need this piece, which will go there, that way. This will actually connect to the frame of the car later on. Next we need 36A, which is this piece. There is a difference between 36A and 36B, and that drive shaft will fit just there like that, and we'll capture this with 36B, where you can see there's a tab there, you can see the first two here. So I suppose really it doesn't matter at the end of the day, because that fits there like so. We capture that like that, and we connect that together with two AP screws. That's how that should be. Brilliant stuff. Now we can pop this onto the frame of the car. I think we do need to pop another, yes, you need to pop the universal joint here. Two more AP screws, so 36C onto 36A and B. There we go. Excellent. So that's the universal joints, the drive shaft. Right, let's pop this onto the car. Bring the car over. There we go. Right. That will fit there like so, and that will fit into that universal joint. This will fit into the floor pan eventually. A later issue. Okay, look, we need two more AP screws. So first one there, we need one on here, just here. Might as well get this side in first. Flip that around, screwdriver through there, hopefully. Yeah, it does seem to reach, which is good. Now we can flip the car around and do this side. So we want one here, just there, and we want another one just here. There we go, brilliant. See that alright? Yeah, that's wicked brilliant. And we have this end as well. Fantastic, excellent stuff. There we go, that is phase 36 complete. Let's move on to phase 37. Okay, here we have phase 37. Hot off the griddle, the TV show Catwoman. Excellent, lovely looking Catwoman. The Senator's been shot, Green Arrow, great Batman comics. Batman 71, Batman year by year. Brilliant artwork as always. I don't know how much to get paid, but they must get paid a lot for that artwork. Your car parts. In this phase you fix a floor pan to the top of the body frame. There we go, so I'm making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cm screws. Excellent. There we go, that is it. Let's have a look at the part. There we go, those are the parts. Let's get them out. This is huge. There we go, that is the floor pan. You see where the speaker goes, and that looks like where the on-off switch will go. Right, I need to pop this onto the car. There we go. Right, pop that under that steering mechanism. There we go. Or something like that. That'll get fixed later. Okay, we have 12 cm screws. Let's get the first one in. Could do with watching an episode of the TV show now, rather than doing all this screwing.
Watch out, Batman. This could be tricky.
The fiends! They've converted this buoy into a gigantic magnet. It's got us by the metallic objects in our utility belts.
There we go, that's the 12 cm screws all in place. That's looking brilliant. That was nice and quick, wasn't it, Don't? Okay, let's move on to phase 38. Here we have phase 38. The TV show, The Cat and the Fiddle. There's Catwoman again, looking gorgeous. An audacious crime and getaway. Great Batman comics, The Laughing Fish with the Joker, the Manic Man himself. And Batman year by year, Batman 72. Death of Robin, it looks like. Rest in peace, Bruce. And look at this, the demon lives again. Batman slain. Your car parts, phase 38. In this phase you fix the seat pan to the floor pan, fitted in the previous phase of assembly. There we go, more CM screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we fit, there we go, that little bracket underneath. There, 36E with 2 AP screws. And that is our result. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. There we go. There's our seat pan. It's plastic. Right, let's pop this into the car. We have CM and AP screws. That will fit just there like that. So that bracket, yeah, will fit there. That's how that goes. Excellent. Right, let's get the screws into place. Okie doke. We have 10 CM screws.
Joking, Riddles.
What does a turkey do when he flies upside down?
He gobbles up.
Of course.
There we go. Excellent. Now we need to flip this over, so I need my towel. Okay, we have 2 AP screws, one here and one here. This will keep that bracket and that drive shaft as it should be. It should lift the drive shaft actually, because it was rubbing at the bottom here. So keep it centered anyway. There we go, brilliant. There we go, that is phase 38 completed. It's looking good though, isn't it not? Excellent stuff. Right, the next pack has already been generated on the Fanhome website, because obviously I think this one was quite late Alright, so they've already generated the next pack, so hopefully the next 6 phases of this build will be here in the next 2 or 3 weeks time. Well, that's looking great, and I do know we get another wheel and tyre with the next lot. Brilliant stuff. So there we go. Looking fantastic, getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, it's going to look great on the shelf here. Fantastic, that. Loving it, absolutely loving it. This is such an iconic car as well. Just reminds me of being a kid. Anyway, there we go. So that is the last 3 phases for this month. Like I just said, the next pack has been generated on the Fanhome website. It does say, like just the last one, there might be a delay. So if there's a delay, I don't know why they generated it so early. But if there is, there is. It doesn't really matter. But anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up. So thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.